How you guys doing? So this is your video for your generator fire up and shut down procedure. We're gonna talk you through it because once we start the generator, you won't be able to hear a word I say. So step one, you've lost power. You're gonna wheel your generator within 25 feet of the outlet, which is right there on the side of the panel. And when you fire it up, by the time you unroll your cord, which is going to be left right here on top of your generator when we're done. Now, by the time you get this unrolled and hooked in to that plug, this generator should be warm enough for you to go ahead, plug it in, and then flip the breaker system. So step one, you've lost power. Fire up your generator, plug in your cords, and then by the time you're ready to flip your breakers, your very next step is going to be this. You'll notice Cheyenne's installed your lockout, so your 200 amp main is on. You've just lost power. There's no way you can flip this 50 amp generator backfeed breaker with this on. Wheeled down the generator, we're gonna go ahead and fire it up. Make sure it's on gas, make sure it's choked. This little lever right here. Okay, so make sure your fuel is turned to the down position. It means you're flowing fuel down. Then come over here, flip your switch on for your battery. Otherwise, you won't have an ignition switch. So once that's on, you can choose to do idle control. That just means when you're not under load, the engine will idle down. I prefer to leave it off because it's going to be on load pretty much the whole time you're in generation mode. Push that button, it'll fire up. So we've rolled out the cord, fired up the generator, and we're still without power from PG&E, so nothing's changed here yet. We're going to plug in the cord, which is a twist lock. There's only one way this will fit. We'll figure that out real quick. Should be on. If you don't hear that generator bob down, it's because your breaker is off. That bob down and fire up, that's going into the generation mode. So now you've got power, right? PG&E's back on, and you can check the meter, make sure it's hot. It'll look just like that when PG&E comes back on. Then all you do is open up your panel, shut this off, lift this up. Now you can let that thing cool down if you want. You can unplug it. Shut that. Bam. Then you can turn off the battery so that light doesn't drain your battery when you're done. So fire up your generator, make sure your battery is on first. You can leave this on, doesn't matter. So you want to turn this on so your start will work. Fire up your generator, you're going to have to choke it. Once it starts, you can turn the choke back off, plug in your cord. And then by the time you get your cord plugged in, you'll be able to switch out through this here. This is pretty simple. You're probably going, yeah, we got it. Don't need to be told it 50 times, but that's it.